Hello everybody, welcome to Ruby Falcon. Today we're going to be making sautéed prawns. This is a really quick and easy way to add a flavorful protein to a dish or just enjoy them on their own. They're delicious. Let's take a look what we need to make it, alright? To make sautéed prawns, of course, you're going to need prawns. I'm using previously frozen Black Tiger Prawns because, as I've mentioned before, I live about 900 to 1,000 kilometers away from the nearest coastline. This package is about 340 grams, so for that many prawns, we're going to use about 20 to 30 grams of butter. You can add some seasoning as well, like salt, pepper, garlic, maybe some paprika and thyme, but for how I plan on serving them today, it's not necessary. After thawing your prawns, if you're using frozen like I am, remove the tails and shells. Add your butter to a frying pan. Heat your pan up and melt the butter over medium-high heat. Once it's warmed up, which you can tell by getting a pretty regular bubbling, you can add your prawns. Now, Black Tiger prawns are nice because they change color as they're fully cooked. It's going to take about 5 minutes for these prawns. You want it to change from gray and black to fully red and pink, and you want these translucent bits to go fully white and opaque. Move them periodically.
We're gonna shout it loud, even if our words seem meaningless, like I'm carrying the weight of the world. I wish that some way, somehow, that I could save every one of us, but the truth is that I'm only one bad.
Another way to tell that these are cooked is that if they form a C, they're cooked. If they form an O, they're overcooked. Once these prawns are fully pink and red and cooked through, go ahead and remove them from the heat and serve them however you want. Today, I'm serving my sautéed prawns tossed in fettuccine alfredo with a cucumber tomato salad on the side. And there you have it, sautéed prawns. They are delicious, but they're also ridiculously easy and fast to make, as you've just seen. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do, and I hope you find all kinds of incredible things to use them in. If you enjoyed this, you can click up here to subscribe, and down here is something that the algorithmic overlords at YouTube think that you'll enjoy from my channel. If it catches your fancy, go ahead and click on it. I'll see you next time.